Hey guys, Danny Alvarez here with Cellphonius.com, bringing you the latest news and views that you can use. Pardon the background noise as it is raining right now. I wanted to show you a quick feature that I think you're really going to like. This feature is actually in the Samsung keyboard app, which you can download by going to Sakitech's channel. His YouTube channel has the link right in the description of one of his latest videos, uploaded about 2 weeks ago. But let me show you what you can do. When you're inside of the Samsung keyboard app, all you have to do is click on the little plus sign. After writing a message like hello, for example, you come back over here and tap on this plus sign, and you can actually schedule the message. So you can say, I want this to be delivered at 11 or at 10:36 a.m. in 2 minutes from now. You can actually have it delivered any time in the future, and as long as your phone is on at the time, you can go ahead and have it scheduled to be done. Let's see here. So right now it is the 16th. Let me make sure it's the 16th. And I'll go ahead and hit done and hit send. Now the message, you'll notice, is not colored in. It's kind of grayed out, indicating that it hasn't been sent yet, and it has a little clock on the side to show that it's going to be sent. It is scheduled to be sent at the time that you have scheduled it for. So I thought you might want to know this special little trick if you want to do something special, like text a good morning to your staff if you're a supervisor, or maybe to your wife, and you know you're going to get busy and you're thinking about her. You can also use this to text yourself. You can text yourself, schedule texting yourself a reminder. So yes, you have reminder apps and everything, but you might be more likely to say, look at your phone if there's a text message that comes through. Well, even if you can actually schedule it again for it to remind you of something. And I think it's amazing. It works with group messaging. It works with messaging email addresses. Either way, one way or another, it actually works really, really well. And I thought you'd want to know this Samsung keyboard shortcut, or feature, I should say, that you might like. For the Cellphonius YouTube channel, this is Danny Alvarez checking out.